Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me again today. For anyone who's new here, my name is Jenny. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you guys enjoy today's content. But as you guys can see here, I will be creating this beautiful Valentine's Day nail set. I'm so excited. In today's video, I am doing my niece's nails. She came up with this little design. She saw a few designs on Instagram and we kind of came up with this together. But I'm so excited. I'm excited that she's letting me record her nail sets because I normally just do my own, and I feel like this way I can give you guys a different perspective of like how to do someone else's nails if you guys are trying to learn to do other people's nails. I was actually doing other people's nails for a minute a while back. Before I was close to the end of my pregnancy, I was taking people in here at my house. I was having clients come in and doing their nails. It was so fun, honestly, to see my designs like come to life and just see people walking around and then letting me know like, oh my God, I got so many compliments, this and that. It's like so satisfying. I love doing it. I just honestly, with my little one right now, he just wants to be like on my lap or on my sister's lap or on my niece's lap. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not about to have people come over and have him like all over them. Like, no. Maybe when he gets older, I'll start taking clients again. But for now, I do want to keep showing you guys nail tutorials because I feel like I can teach you guys how to do these nail sets and we can learn together. Honestly, like today's video, the flower that I created, it's my very first time and you guys will see how that turns out. I think I did pretty good, but you guys let me know in the comments down below. But as you guys saw a little minute ago, I did go in with my nail drill and buffed out any shine from the nails. Then I went in with a little bit of alcohol, sprayed it sprayed it on her nails, and then I brushed off any of the dust and anything that might have been on the nail. Now I'm going in with my Apress dehydrator and primer like I did in my previous video, and I'm just going to go in and add these products to all her nails so that everything else like I'm adding here, the nail glue can go ahead and grip onto the natural nail. So what I'm doing here is just applying a very thin layer. And like I told you guys in the previous video, I do have an Amazon storefront, so you guys feel free to go ahead and check that out. I will have all the products that I use on there so you guys can see exactly what I use and get the exact same products that I have. And I also will be creating a video showing you guys exactly all the products you guys would need as a beginner Gel X nail tech. So you guys please tune in and let me know of any video recommendations you guys have. Let me know in the comments down below. I honestly want to bring you guys exactly what you guys want to see. But now here, as you guys can see, I'm taking my nail tips and just filing the inside of them. I do this because I want to roughen up the nail tip so that when I apply the glue, like you guys will see in a minute, it applies and it grips on very nicely to the nail tip and then applies and grips onto your natural nail. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I love this little lamp. I have to honestly put it on my Amazon storefront if I haven't already, so you guys can see exactly which one it is. You don't have to press a button. You literally just have to like lightly tap it, which makes it a lot more convenient when you're trying to apply the Gel X tips because you don't have to like forcefully press any button. You literally just tap it and then just apply the nail right underneath. I have gone through maybe like 2 other little nail lamps and you had to press the button. It was just too much. This one honestly has become my favorite, so I really recommend this one. I will leave it in my Amazon storefront for you guys. But honestly, like I told you guys in my last video, you just apply a little bit of nail glue about halfway up the nail tip and then start from the cuticle area and press it forward. Once you feel like all of that glue is on your natural nail, you go ahead and apply it under the lamp and then cure it for about 30 seconds. Now, once the nail tip is applied and you're happy with it, you want to go in with a nail drill and just file all around the cuticle area. You want to make sure you blend this into the natural nail so that when they do start growing out, it grows out but very evenly, so it looks like if it's your natural nail growing out. But you guys can see here, I honestly had a really fun time with my niece recording her nail set. You guys let me know if you would rather listen to a little bit of our conversation so I could keep it in next time. But she's pretty funny. We had a good time. It was fun doing her nail set and recording it. Now, as you guys see here, I am taking a little bit of acetone and just putting it right where the cuticle area is. This will also help the Gel X nail melt into your natural nail. So I definitely recommend this as well. It'll help with the lifting and everything. It'll blend everything and kind of melt it all together so it lasts a lot longer. Also, always at the nail tips, you want to file off that little point that it has or any unevenness, because the Gel X nails don't come like perfectly aligned at the nail tips. So I definitely recommend you guys doing that. Then once I am done and once you guys are done filing all the nail and everything, I do recommend taking a little bit of alcohol and just wiping off any dust so that when you do start applying any base base coat, it doesn't have any dust or any lint or anything on there, so that it doesn't have any bumps when you do start applying any polygel. What am I talking about? We're not applying polygel. Any gel polish. So you always want to make sure you clean that off so there's nothing underneath that gel polish. Oh my god, you guys, I really cannot talk today. But once I was done with applying the base coat and curing that, I did go in with my two very favorite nude nail polishes. You guys, honestly, I have to like tilt the gel polishes over because I just don't have enough anymore. I did want to order new ones, but one of them is out of stock. So I went ahead and ordered new nail polish from other websites. So you guys stay tuned. I will be showing you guys those products that I purchased. Once I was done with the nude, I did go in and applied a white French tip onto all of her nails. So I'll let you guys just enjoy that process. Now, these are the 3 gel polishes I'm going to be using today. These 3 beautiful different color shades of red gel polishes. I think they're so beautiful. I will leave them linked down below if you guys are interested in those. But now I am going to be showing you guys how to do little kisses on nails. These are so easy. Literally, you do 2 dots, connect them in the middle, and then just kind of like make 2 little triangles on the side. And if you kind of like flick them up a little bit, it makes it look more like lips. At the bottom, you just kind of make a little dot, but then you spread it up towards the little sides of the upper lip, and that's it, you guys. Honestly, I feel like it'll probably be easier for you guys just to see than me explain, but I love how these turn out. They're so easy and so beautiful. Now, I did buy this new top coat. I will let you guys know what I think about it, but I did use it on my niece's nail set today. I think it came out pretty nice. I'll ask her how it wears and how it looks after a few days, but it's not too thick, not too thin. I have seen reviews that they're like, it's a really good top coat, so I wanted to try something different. Here I'm just top coating her little nails with the little kisses on them, just to make sure that those are done and nothing can happen on them, no more lint or anything can get on there. So I just wanted to finish those nails off. Now I will be taking some builder nail gel. I'm telling you guys, this girl really had me out here customizing her little nail charms today. So I went in and she wanted some little flowers, but she wanted more like the star, like the sea star or star. No, it's not sea star. Starfish, little kind of flower looking flowers. So I told her this was my very first time doing this. I was going to try my best. So as you guys can see here, I start off with my gloves, going ahead and making little tiny balls with the builder gel. And yeah, that did not work out, you guys. guys. It got so sticky. It did not want to leave the glove. So I had to take off the gloves and then continue just with my hands. I did apply a little band-aid on my middle finger because my middle nail, oh my God, I was at work. I hit this drawer. It hurt so bad and my nail flew off. So I did not want to show you guys that I was missing a nail. I didn't want to see how bad my nail looked. Not too bad. To be honest, it's not too bad, but it was just hurting. And yeah, I didn't want to make it look all crusty and dusty with my broken nail. But as you guys can see here, I am just making little balls, and honestly this builder gel is really good. It does not stick to your fingers. It's really easy to work with. It just didn't want to stick to the nail that much, but it did not stick to my fingers, which I really appreciated. I haven't worked with builder gel like that, but I like that one. That one that I bought, I did buy it off of Amazon, so you guys already know. Just check the links down below. Now here, I feel like this is probably not the best tool to use for this, but I don't know. It was my very first flower. I just tried it with this tool. I feel like I will show you guys in a minute which one I use for my little bow. I definitely recommend that one when using builder gel, but I don't know. I just went in with this one for this video and it came out pretty good. I definitely think practice makes better. You guys, were not perfect. So if my flower or my bow do not look that good, I'm so sorry. It was my very first time. I will get better. We will get better together. You guys just learn from my mistakes. Don't use this tool for sure, for sure. I know that my niece loved her little flower and she wanted more like I'm telling you guys, a little starfish kind of flower. And I feel like I delivered. I did pretty good. You guys, I give myself a pat on the back. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys think I need a little more practice. I know I do. I know I can get better. I can get better at this flower and the bow. But now I'm just going to finish this and then go ahead and put some white gel polish on top. I loved creating this flower. I feel like it took me out my comfort zone. It's so much easier just to order these charms and just glue them on. But I loved doing this, and I honestly want to try a different type of flower, like the round-ended flower with the petals that are round for my nails. I'm like thinking of a nail set in my head that I cannot wait to create for you guys. But I feel like I did pretty good. And honestly, my niece loved the little flowers. She loved everything, and we were obsessed with the nail set today. Like I told her, I know I can get better, but everybody can get better at everything. No one's perfect. Nothing is perfect. So practice makes better. And that's all I'm going to keep doing and showing you guys how to make things even better at home. But now, once I was done applying all of that white gel polish, I did go in with a little bit of red gel polish in the middle. She wanted that there. And then I did go in with some gold, like little caviar, little pearls in the center. once I was done with that finger, I went ahead and I pulled my niece's hand all hard. It's just my niece, so I'm able to just, do her nails and move her hands and everything however I want. But as you guys can see here, once I was done with that nail, I did want to top coat it just to make sure that there was no more lint or any dust or anything on that nail. And that way it was just done. And I had nothing to worry about with that nail, so I can move on to the next one. And this very next one, honestly, this was challenging. I had never created a bow out of builder gel, okay? So I thought I was going to be able to place it here on my armrest. It did not want to stick, so I went ahead and grabbed this little tool here. I went and just, you guys will see. Honestly, I don't even know how to explain how I did this bow. It was my very first time. I had seen a video, a little short little clip that my niece sent me. I saw it and I just created the bow. So you guys enjoy, because I feel like it's a lot easier for you guys just to see than for me to explain. You guys enjoy this little bow process. Now here, this was supposed to be one of the sides for the bow, but it folded and I just couldn't work with it. So I just went ahead and cut this other side of the little string or whatever I created, and look how perfectly it landed. You guys, it kind of twisted and turned so nicely that I was like, oh my god, let me just apply it onto her nail like that. So I told her to bring your nail over here, and I literally applied it like that, and look at how beautiful that looks. Then she told me literally in the video, do you think you could create that again? I said, I don't know, I'm gonna try. So I think I did pretty good with my first bow. Then with the little piece that I had left over, I just applied it in the center of the two little bow sides, and I just created that centerpiece. I really loved how this looked. Honestly, the right side of the little bow, I thought it came out so pretty. It just kind of twisted, I'm telling you guys, and you guys saw that. It kind of twisted just perfectly. So once I was done with that, I did tell her to cure everything down. After every little step, I actually told her to cure everything, and then at the very end I told her to cure it for about 30 seconds. Now, once I was done going all over it with some red gel polish, I did go in with some top coat. This was my very last nail to top coat, and I'm so excited to show you guys the final result. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to hear my nieces and my conversation throughout this video, these videos that I do, because I do plan on doing a lot more with her in them, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to keep the conversations in there with her. I will have to ask her if it's okay to leave it so you guys can have a little laugh or two. But now, as you guys can see, I am going to be taking a little bit of cuticle oil and just applying this all over her little fingers. You guys definitely want to do this all the time because you dehydrate your fingers a lot. So you do want to bring them back to life. So a little bit of cuticle oil always helps out, and it goes a very, very long way. I love how these nails look, you guys. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I honestly hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a very beautiful Valentine's Day nail set. I am so excited for these nails. Look at how pretty they turned out, and my niece in the background. You guys, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next one.